Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to disable your Discord account but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Discord application. Once you open it, you will see an interface like this. From there, you need to select the Me option, which is your profile. Once you tap on that, from here, you need to tap on the setting icon at the top right corner. From there, you need to select Account. And you need to scroll all the way down where you will find Disable Account and you will find Delete Account. So all you need to do is to tap on Disabled Account. Here you need to enter the password which is associated with your Discord account. Once you enter the password, and you need to press the OK then. And once you press the OK, your account will be disabled. So guys, this is all it takes to disable your Discord account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.